Hey guys, this is Tiju22 and we have yet another title match here on the TLC Tables, Ladders and Chairs Super Show. And up next is Primo. And yes, Primo is the United States champion. And yes, for the first time you're going to listen to some music here. United States champion ever since Bin Laden, due to his death, left in his will that if he should ever die, which he did, Primo would become the United States champion, and he's been and it's been this way ever since, really. And he did defend the United States championship, albeit by sneak attacking one of his challengers. And he's coming down the ring right now. And there he is, the Bulldozer, the man he screwed out of the championship. And the fans are loving this guy. The fans can feel this man's pain when it came to being screwed one time after another. I mean, he got screwed in the title match at the last Super Show. And in the number one contenders match, he got screwed by how do I say this? CM Punk tried to screw Bulldozer out of that match as well, but he just would not be denied of this match here, and the fans are just going nuts for this guy. But unfortunately for the Bulldozer, this is not going to be a one-on-one match. In fact, this is going to be a cage match. And we have one more opponent left to go. And we have the Joker coming in his sweet ride from Gotham City. And what a huge opportunity he has to win the United States Championship. He was given this championship opportunity. I mean, at the last Super Show, it was one-on-one between Primo and the Bulldozer. Well, the board of directors wanted to add another person in there, and they added the Joker. And you gotta give, and I have to say, the Joker has risen through the ranks like no one has, before him. And I have to say, it was all because of a friend of mine, Audie Cloudboy, who suggested him to be the next, CAW, to be CAW/creative wrestler, to be featured in my LP. And I just have to thank him for it. But now the time for talk is over. It's time to find out whether the Joker has what it takes to win. And yes, it is for the United States Heavyweight Championship. And pretty soon, that steel cage will be lowering down any moment now. And I just wanted to let you guys know that there is no escape. The first man to get a pinfall or submission, or to knock out one of his opponents first, will be declared the winner, and will be the United States Heavyweight Champion. And we have about a 30-minute time limit. And now, wait a minute. A slingshot right into the cage. And Primo goes face first into that cage. It's very ironic that Primo and the Joker, former teammates of Evil Incorporated, are battling each other for that title. And the man who's been in the middle of all this, the Bulldozer, as he gives a belly-to-belly suplex to the Joker. I mean, I would think for the Joker to win, he would have to pin the champion Primo, because you have to do moves like that, a double team move, to to just knock down the Bulldozer, really. And a clothesline to Primo. And now he's going right after the Bulldozer. I don't know how wise that is, but... Oh, and a big uppercut. Wait a minute, the Joker. 1, no. The Bulldozer kicked out at 1. And a whip into the corner by the Joker. Oh, and a big clothesline by the Bulldozer. And a huge hip toss by Bulldozer. And now, wait a minute. $1 million and a Cobra clutch, rather, excuse me, to the Joker by the Bulldozer. And what a dodge that was. Whip into the ropes. And now, wait a minute. Hurricane Rana to the Bulldozer. 1. Nope. Broken up by the Joker. And a Hurricane Rana to the Joker. And a double team to Primo. And a shot right to the back of the Joker by the Bulldozer. And a whip into the corner. Meanwhile, Primo's going to fight him. And the Bulldozer reverses that. Primo's going to go for another Hurricane Rana with a pinfall. 1. Nope. Bulldozer kicked out of it. Another Hurricane Rana to the Joker. Whip into the ropes. And a huge shot to the Joker. And now the Bulldozer's just kicking down Primo. And a whip into the corner. But Primo missed that. And now the Bulldozer whip into the ropes. Oh, and a reversal by the Joker. Nice takedown by the Joker. And another Hurricane Rana to the Joker. And another Hurricane Rana. Wow. Incredible series of Hurricane Ranas. And a big kick in the back by Primo. Well, Primo better not get too cocky, because he's in there with the Bulldozer as well. And some knife edge chops to the Joker. A double RKO right to the Bulldozer. But Bulldozer gets up rather quickly. And a flying forearm shot by the Joker. And now what's the Joker going to do here? A camel clutch, but that got broken up rather quickly. And a unique arm drag, Hurricane Rana style. Whip into the ropes. Hurricane Rana with the pin. 1. No. Joker got kicked out at 1. Another double RKO. Whip into the corner. And now Bulldozer's going to set the Joker up for a tree of woe. And a forearm to the back of Primo. And a huge clothesline to Primo. And a lifting reverse DDT to Primo. And some more kicks to the face by the Bulldozer. Oh, and a shot right to the side of the head. And now a whip into the ropes. Or rather, whip into the corner, rather. Oh, and he whipped him right into that cage. His head first, right into that cage. First time anyone got a taste of that cage. And it don't taste good whatsoever. But another arm drag by the Joker. Meanwhile, in Hurricane Rana to the Joker by Primo. And followed by a drop kick. And now Primo gives the Bulldozer a Hurricane Rana. Wait a minute. 1. No. Joker kicked out at 1. A whip into the corner. And Bulldozer whips him into that corner, into the opposite corner there. Wait a minute. Primo, 1, 2. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. Somehow, some way, against all odds, Primo has defended the United States Championship against the Bulldozer, and within the structure of the rules, he beat him fair and square, along with the Joker. Well, not with the Joker, but he beat the Joker as well by pinning the Bulldozer first. And the Bulldozer has got to be frustrated. He had this match won several times, but it just wasn't to be for the Bulldozer. I don't know where the Bulldozer is going to go from here, but folks, stay tuned for more on this Super Show of tables, ladders, and chairs.